ئافرەتێکی ئینگلیزە لەوێ ئەژی تەسەورکەن 6 دانە مانگە ئەم نەخۆشە لەوێ یەت و ئەڕوا ناتوانێت قەرار بات بڕیاری بۆ نادرێ.
I came from the UK to Kurdistan to receive treatment for breast cancer.
سەگەنە هاتووە بە هەموو شێوەیەک تەسلیمی ئەوە بووە کە لێرە چی بڕیارێکمان بۆدا ئەوە جێبەجێ بکەن.
Hello, I'm Estella. I came from the UK to Kurdistan to receive treatment for breast cancer. Back in the UK, I went to several hospitals and they diagnosed me with grade 2 breast carcinoma, and they said that the breast wouldn't be able to be conserved.
Estella, you did genetic counseling there?
Yes, it all came back
clear. Yes. Alhamdulillah. She said it was negative. Yes. So in summary, the patient has been diagnosed in the UK as a case of the bilateral invasive ductal carcinoma with a full workup in the last 6 months. Just imagine, last 6 months, she was belonged to the NHS. Later on, she shifted to the private. They did everything for the patient, and the result was a large mass on the right side, smaller one on the left side. They planned for the mastectomy on the right side with the immediate reconstruction by the LV flap with the BCT on the left side. We talked to the patient, we did workup, we did MRI, and she wants her breast really. She wants to preserve it. Is to examine the patient to see and to compare the mass to the size of the breast.
That's when I discovered Dr. Abdul Wahid. I saw his lectures and I thought this man seems like a great doctor, so I went straight to Slemani to Smart Tower.
ئەم نەخۆشە دوای چەند مانگ لەوێ کەیتر توانە هەر ئەبێت بەو شێوەیە نەشتەرگەری بۆ بکرێ قەنەعەتی پێی نەبووە ناوی ئێری بیستووە سێرچی کردووە گەڕاوە گەیشتەوە قەنەعەتەکە لێرە نەشتەرگەرێکی بۆ بکرێ.
The plan is skin and nipple sparing, and then you need to proceed for mastectomy.
No, my plan is BCT.
BCT?
Yes.
And your plan is to remove the nipple as well?
No, part of the areola. Yes. We are dealing with a large size, and I hope that, inshallah, we can get rid of the whole tumor by the one session, inshallah. It's up to you. Inshallah, I will proceed to the breast conserving surgery, bilateral, inshallah. Inshallah. Any comment, please? Okay. Ala barakatillah.
They let me know everything, every step of the way. I was included in the MDT meeting too, and in UK, they don't do that.
And we took a sample from the both axilla. Now, alhamdulillah, both margin are free. It's a very good sign, alhamdulillah. And both axilla are negative. Alhamdulillah.
I've had my surgery now, and alhamdulillah, Dr. Abdul Wahid managed to save my breasts. And I just can't believe how caring and kind everyone is here, and how transparent that all the MDT team are at the Smart Health Tower. For further follow-ups, I will not be using the UK ever again. I will be coming here every year for checkups, for scans, because I feel that I can be told the truth here, and I will never trust the UK ever again.
We'll follow up you in even UK through the online, and please, if you have anything, please don't hesitate to contact us. Okay? Inshallah. You are welcome.
Alhamdulillah, I'm doing so well now. I came back to the UK and my scars are healing nicely, and I'm so happy the reductions made me feel great too. And I'm just so thankful to Abdul Wahid and the team at Smart Tower. They've been awesome, and I just wish I didn't mess around for 7 months in UK. I just wish that I went there sooner.